Hello, my name is Alicia.
And I'm Carlos Joaquin.
And this is our oral presentation about the sounds
I and wa.
Okay, distinctive feature of the sound, place of articulation. Glottal. The sound is produced by constructing the vocal cords in the glottis. Manner of articulations. It's a voiceless sound, meaning the vocal cords don't vibrate during its productions. The airflow is released through the narrow opening the glottis, resulting in a frictional noise. Continue.
The next sound, or the next distinctive feature of the sound, is the sound I. Place of articulation, palatal. The sound is produced by raising the middle part of the tongue toward the hard palate. Manner of articulation. It is a voiceless sound, meaning the vocal cord do not vibrate during its production. The airflow is released through the narrow opening in the glottis, resulting in a frictional noise.
And finally, the wa sound. Distinctive feature of the sound. Place of articulation. Labiovelar. The sound is produced by rounding the lips and raising the back of the tongue towards the soft palate. Manner of articulation. It's also a semi-vowel or glide sound. The airflow is constructed but not completely blocked, resulting in a smooth transition between the wa sound and the following vowel sound.
Now we are going to tell three tongue twisters, one for each one of the consonant sound. The first sound. How much will woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck as much wood as much chuck, excuse me, as a woodchuck could if a woodchuck could chuck wood. The next sound, I. Yolanda yodel through the yellow meadows, yearning for the echoes of yesteryear. Year after year, her yodeling yearning for youth and youthful cheers. And the last, W sound. Wendy wants to wander the wedding pathway where with whimsical weeping willows weep with her willing shield. She wanders and whispers wonderful secrets. Thank you. Your turn, Alice.
Okay, thank you. And yes, as my classmate told you, we're going to say tongue twisters. And the sound is, how much would a woodchuck chuck? If a woodchuck could chuck wood, if wood chuck as much wood as a woodchuck could, if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Now the I sound. Yolanda yelled through the yellow meadows, yearning for the echoes of yesteryear. Year after year, her yodeling yawned, yearning for youth and youthful cheers. And finally, the wa sound, Wendy wants to wander the winding pathway, where whimsical weeping Willow's whip, with her vibrant hat and warm woolen shawl. She wanders and whispers wonderful secrets. Continue.
Okay, and the last is a poem. So we are going to recite the poem using the three vowel sounds at the same time. In a world of whisper, where wonders unfold, hushed hymns of harmony, stories untold, whirling winds holes, whispering through the trees, whispers, hopes, and yearning carrying on the breeze. Yellow hues, vibrant and bright, youthful dreams, talking fly, whimsical wonders whip through the air, whispering wishes, whispered with care, whispering through the hills and the deals, whispering winds carrying tales, with a hushed and humble tone, whispered secrets softly shown. Here the echoes of the hallowed night, whispering winds, a symphony of delight, whispers of wisdom heard in the dark, whispered melodies and eternal spark, whirling, whistling, and whirling again, the whispered wonders, a gentle refrain, harmony of hushed sounds intertwined, the whispered symphony, yours and mine, in this whispered world where silence sings the sounds of ah, I, and and what take wings, practice them softly, let them sound with whispered words, let your voice be found. Thank you. It's your turn, Alice.
Okay, thank you. And yes, this is the poem with the three sounds. Now, in a world of whispers, where wonder unfold, hushed hymns of harmony stories untold. Whirling winds howled, whispering through the trees, whispered hopes and yearnings carried on the breeze. Yellow hues, vibrant and bright, youthful dreams taking flight, whimsical wonders weave through the air, whispered wishes, whispered with care, whispering through the hills and the dales, whispering winds carrying tales, with hushed and humble tone, whispered secrets softly shown. Hear the echoes of the hallowed night, whispering winds, a symphony of delight. Whisper of wisdom, heard in the dark, whispered melodies in eternal spark. Whirling, whistling, and whirling again. The whispered wonders, a gentle refrain. Harmony of hushed sounds intertwined. The whispered symphony, ear and mind. In this whispered world, where silence sends, the sounds I and Wa takes once. Practice them softly, let them resound. With whispered words, let your voice be found. Thank you so much for listening until here.
Thank you for your attention and see you in the next opportunity. Bye.
Bye bye.